doing it, buddy.
Hell yeah.
We're doing it. You look 20 years younger when you take those glasses down.
Today we're heading to Lincoln, Nebraska for Speedway Motors Wheel Hub show they're having down there. So every month during the summer, nice weather, Speedway's got a Cars and Coffee. And that's actually next week, I think. So this is a special show they're having.
Look at this little fairway. That 427 flag zone. Dude, this car club here. Cardi. Look at this Corvette. Look at the carburation.
It's a T-Bird, Dad.
Oh, it is a T-Bird. I was looking at that carburation.
Appreciate you, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Get your big breakfast like you wanted?
I did. Do you want my high cholesterol potato cake?
Oh, yeah, I'll eat that.
Okay, I'm gonna give that to you. I'm gonna hand it to you.
I'm gonna eat that bad boy.
Oh, they're good. I wouldn't give that to just anybody.
This thing is amazing. Wow. Wow, look at that paint. Beautiful. Jeez. So good. This T-Bird's crazy though. What's up, gentlemen?
You weren't even gonna see us.
No, I'm just looking through the eyes of the camera, boys. Through the eyes of the camera. I'm tripping over my shoes.
You don't have like a cyborg thing in your glasses.
Oh, there's Tim. There's Big Joe. What's up? What's up, guys? How are you?
Pretty good.
Good. It's nice today, right? That's gonna be raining, but it turned out good.
Ain't no rain.
No. Some nice stuff here.
Yeah.
That T-Bird over there. Oh my goodness gracious.
I remember seeing that on Instagram.
Yeah, the stitch welded on the body panels like that.
All the sectioning they did. That was
Yeah,
pretty sweet.
so good, so good. Well, gentlemen, I'm gonna keep on going.
Take it easy.
All right. Looks like she got a Hemi picking out of there, out of the old hood. Sometimes you just gotta cut a hole, let her breathe a little bit. That's a damn cool car right there. So yesterday, all these cars, well, a lot of them, not all of them, went on a big cruise. From here, I think they started and went to a bunch of different shops around the area, and Cal Creations was one of them. I didn't get a chance to make it because I had to work. Little cars action there. Lightning and Tomater. Cool little setup here. They must sell this at Speedway, of course. Probably bolts into something. Not sure what chassis it bolts into, but it's pretty cool. How you doing?
Good.
What's that bolt into?
That red car.
Oh, okay.
So like your first gen F-body cars.
Oh, okay, sure. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So talking with the Speedway guys, that setup that's down there on the stand will bolt right in one of these Camaros. So you put your 9-inch in there and put all gobs of power down and not have any worries. So pretty cool. Always love me a good race car. See how they do things, how they build things, how they mount things. all these different series cars that do different things a little different. Stock car guys versus road race. What's going on, buddy? How are you? Beautiful little Woody. These little Novas. 67 maybe? Clean. Got cars pulling out, but lots to see still. Got Big Joe's car down here. Always got to take a look at that. This guy here is like a Renaissance man. Big Joe. I mean, he builds them, drives them, gets them low. Nobody's getting them lower than Big Joe and driving them. This guy here is the real deal right here. Drove this all the way up from Missouri. Beautiful Chevelle. So much to look at. Big Tim's 62 right there. Looking right. Got the baby moons on her. Or, sorry, moons. The old 62. Look at this thing. My buddy Trent's car right here, this old Porsche. Time capsule right here. Look at that.
And you know, honestly, there will be classes.
Wow. My buddy Jeremy rode down with him today, I think, in this thing. Beautiful. Wow. Nice classic cars here with their Bronco and their truck. Pretty sure that's our Bronco over there. Looks like something they would drive if it's not. Super cool and clean. But we got the old retractable. Look at this. 57, real deal, Y block, Ford retractable. The whole top transformer goes into the trunk. I don't know how many solenoids are in this thing to make this thing work. Like 20 solenoids, and the wiring in here that runs all around through here. This is just insane. I've seen one exposed before. Just the amount of mechanics makes to make that work is crazy. What a beautiful car, though. Wow, 5.7, red and white. Never disappoints. Beautiful car. Ooh, call me the bandit. Look out. Breaker 19. Look out. Model 40 Roadster. Always looking right. That's a big dog right there. Nicely done. Boss 302, Holy Grail Mustang right there. Love them old Broncos. Back when I worked at the Ford dealership, these were brand new back then. Always wanted one. My mom had an 88. She let me drive every now and then, but it got rusty. Beautiful. Eddie Bauer maybe? Yep. Got that Eddie Bauer tags. Used to pull them right off the parts bin when they wrecked them. Ship them out to the body shops, stuff like that, body panels. Good days right there, good days. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Really good. What do you think? It's cool, isn't it? Built to run. Real deal here. Check on the old man. See what's shaking. Kind of left a little wetty spot right here. What do you think, Dad?
Nice day.
Yeah, you having a good time?
Oh, thank you.
Talk your ear off?
Oh, yeah. But every
Talking-
guy that stops gets
Yeah, oh yeah.
get the whole spiel.
Oh yeah, the whole spiel.
The whole spiel, you know what?